the ICMP is used to report. Okay, which of the following? So now before going to again question, let's take some example. So suppose I am sending you the message. Okay, this is me and this is you, right? So I say you hello. So as you know now that message is converted to IP packets and we send IP packets through across the net into a network, right? So now there may be three cases or any cases out of this. Suppose you are not connected to internet, okay? You are not connected to the internet, right? Suppose whatever message I sent to you, the server did not get the destination, did not find destination, or suppose we can say the packet remains in a network for too long. Okay, you suppose didn't turn on the network or internet, because of which my message is not getting delivered to you, right? So TTL expire, we can say time to live expired, right? So whenever this thing happen in my in my mobile, I will get notification. In my mobile, I will get notification that destination is not reachable. Destination is not reachable. Okay, so this message whatever I am getting in my mobile, okay, obviously in practically we don't get that message. Just to explain ICMP, I take this example. So the message which we get from the ICMP, that is Internet Control Message Protocol. Okay, so full form is very important. Again, directly they may frame the question from this. So Internet Control Message Protocol. So basically what is the function of ICMP? From this example you understood that ICMP reports error to the host or to the source. Okay, to the source. This is the most important key point which you should remember. Okay, so that's why if we go to the options, the error message back to the source, the receipt of the message back to the source. No, receipt of message it did not do. Okay, the error correction message back to the source, no, error correction so not done by this, just error reporting. What is the major function of ICMP in the networking? Error reporting. So whenever there is issue, whenever our IP packet, whenever our packet not finding the destination because of whatever reasons, then ICMP reports to source that your packet is not delivered or destination unreachable. Okay, so basically when you use ping command, okay, when we use ping command, so in that you may see ICMP echo request. Yes, ICMP echo request. So ICMP basically what we are doing, basically we are testing the internet. Okay, so again Google sends us the echo request, right? So the this echo request is also given by ICMP. Okay, so this also you can remember, right? So again, lots of key points we discuss in this question about ICMP, full form, then main function with the help of example I told you guys, okay, and few key points like echo request that we discussed. So the answer for this question will be A.